provides capital. Insurance provides capital to the industry. It provides funds for investments. The surplus amount insurance provides capital to investment amount received on account of premium by various insurance companies made available for the industrial development of the country. Investment is made in share capital of the companies, providing long-term loans to companies and advance loans by hypothecation of the insurance policies. The industry, business and individuals are benefited by the investment and loans by the insurers. Improves efficiency. Insurance improves the efficiency in business by reducing the risk of a fear of losses. The insurance eliminates worries and misuse of losses to provide a sense of security in the business community, which in turn becomes a source for the growth and diversification of industry. The management can devote its body and soul together for better achievement of results. Economic progress. The insurance provides an initiative to work hard for the betterment of masses by protecting the society from huge losses of damage, destruction, and death. Providing economic progress, the insurance provides initiative to work hard for better masses. Judging the profitability of major products. Insurance also helps in judging the viability of major projects before insuring the assets or property of any organization. The insurance conducts a viability investigation of assets or projects as a whole with a view to judge the profitability of the projects. अदर फंक्शन सेकेंडरी फंक्शन हमने पढ़ लिया है. देखिए प्रिवेंशन ऑफ लॉस, प्रोवाइड्स कैपिटल. और थर्ड क्या है हमारे पास यहाँ इम्प्रूव एफिशिएंसी, इम्प्रूव इकोनॉमिक प्रोग्रेस, जजिंग द प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी ऑफ मेजर प्रोजेक्ट. प्रिवेंशन ऑफ प्रोवाइड्स कैपिटल, इम्प्रूव एफिशिएंसी, इकोनॉमिक प्रोग्रेस, जजिंग प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी ऑफ मेजर प्रोजेक्ट. अदर फंक्शन expansion of foreign trade. Insurance promotes foreign trade and helps in earning valuable foreign exchange by providing security to international traders, shipping companies, banking and financial institutions who work in the field of foreign trade. Indian insurance is transacted in overseas countries, particularly in the Middle East, Africa and Southeast Asia through branches which are foreign countries. Encourage saving. Insurance makes saving possible. These days, insurance is considered to be a better alternative to investment or surplus funds in insurance policies for future saving and to get benefits of deduction. Insurance premium are free of tax expenditure. Check inflation. Insurance also helps in checking the inflation for saving in the form of premium reduces the spending of the individual. The saved is called sources of production, that is capital is used for the national development by investing them in the better way.